Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax Sarasota. Guys, I'm standing on board legitimately our first 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. Guys, we love these. Sea Ray put a ton of thought into making this a family boat. Let's start at the back and find out why. Tons of horsepower, 300 horsepower on the back of a 25, gives you ability to do any water sports you want, as well as a ton of reliability and frankly an incredibly pleasant motor. Guys, it keeps going as soon as you step forward. This seat is so cool. Slides and reveals a huge chunk of the deck that actually has a cooler underneath it, and like a legit cooler. It's huge. Speakers in the back, chargers for cell phones, lounger right there that can open up and actually store skis underneath. This boat, for when you inevitably forget to turn the batteries off after covering it, has a battery switch and main breakers right there. You've got killer flooring, one of about 4 options from Sea Ray that you can put in the bottom of this. Guys, battery chargers. You've got a cockpit table right here. And these are Sea Rays. So everything opens up. There's storage for the tables. There's storage for coolers and bags and so much more everywhere you go. And Sea Ray always cares about keeping this open for the family. Guys, these loungers on both sides flip. Let you make the cockpit as large as you can, even here at the helm. And the helm has this bolster. I love it. Gives you a little bit more room around the helm right here when you're driving, when you're running, whether you want to stand up, watch your people. And it's a killer helm, guys. Huge 12-inch from Simrad, has all your engine data. Guys, we're going to find these stereos. If you go look at our videos on a 370 Sundancer, exact same head unit. Extremely nice, works well. Digital. Check out that huge bathroom. This thing is one of the parts that makes a 250 SDX stand apart from everything else in the lineup. The bathroom is massive. Just like everything Sea Ray does, you've got tons of sunshade on this boat. A massive flat floor from front to rear. That's one of the points of these 25s. Huge bow, huge tower, water sports galore. Guys, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota, and this is a brand new 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX you can have right now.